You know, sports has been a way of life for me, and that was something that was taught to me in my school. And I really do believe that sports is a fantastic quality of character building, especially team sports. And although I own a football team and a kabaddi team, I never played kabaddi or football as a child. I actually played basketball. And I attribute a lot of what I am today from not just the skills, but the kind of teamwork and efforts that we learned playing basketball. And I really think sports is an invaluable part of anybody's life, and it should be. So what does sports teach you? It teaches you so many things, you know, strength of character, discipline, teamwork, humility. Sports, if you ask any sportsman, sports has a fantastic way of keeping you humble. You know, for me, I'm not an athlete, I'm a film actor. So for me, it's completely passion driven. Be it when I entered in kabaddi or in football, it was something that I was passionate about. I'm very passionate about sports. I'm a passionate sports fan. And being a passionate sports fan and a sports lover, I want people to imbibe the qualities that sports has. The commercial aspect of it comes in a lot later. The decision to buy a kabaddi team and start the Jaipur Pink Panthers was passionate. And obviously now there's a business model to it and you have to. Nobody's here to do charity. Then with Chennai NFC it was the same thing. So I very firmly believe in whatever I do in life, that first, your heart has to be in it. Your mind will always follow if your heart's in it. जी देखिए, जहाँ तक मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री के जितने भी लोग हैं, भले डायरेक्टर हों या एक्टर या प्रोड्यूसर, सब जन ने बचपन में कुछ ना कुछ तो खेला है. And so the interest in sports has always been there. There's always been a huge synergy between the sporting world and the entertainment world. खास करके basketball में अगर आप देखें, अगर आप if you manage to wake up in the morning and see the All-Star Weekend, you'll see the front rows of all courtside seats will be filled with celebrities because there's a huge synergy between the two. But I think it's a very healthy trend if actors are getting more and more involved in sports. मैं ये भी चाहता था जब मैंने कबड्डी की शुरुआत की थी और फिर फुटबॉल में आया. See, those are two different things, man. If you're a sportsman, it's just taken for granted that you have to be agile and you have to be athletic. That's a demand of the sport. I mean, from when I used to play sports in school to the kind of advancements we've had in sports medicine today to the kind of training, is completely different. I mean, I see like in my football team or my kabaddi team the way they train, and we never had those kind of facilities at our disposal. As far as I'm concerned, I think the most demanding sport to play is basketball. Having been a basketball player, I know, you know, apart from just fitness, you need strength, agility. I really think it's you have to be a complete athlete. It's more like documenting a kind of a video diary of sorts. मैं जहाँ जहाँ जा रहा हूँ for the All-Star Weekend, Sumit, I'll have the crew with me and there'll be interviews and interactive sessions. So, like I said earlier, it'll be almost, I hope, that we manage to give the Indian NBA basketball fans as interactive and as personal an experience. So the idea is to hopefully allow them to feel that they're there in New York for the weekend.
अभिषेक, जैसे हमने और खेलों में देखा तो आप जो करते हैं तो उसका प्रभाव लोगों पे पड़ता है और वो उसके लिए प्रेरित होते हैं, ये सही बात है?
नहीं, इसलिए क्या?
जैसे आप और खेलों को बढ़ावा देते हैं तो
जी देखिए, जैसे मैंने आपको हमेशा कहा है जब भी कोई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि अगर मेरे द्वारा लोग स्पोर्ट्स खेलें तो I'd love that.
For more, log on to biscuit.com.